to 193 Blossom Court, a custom Westside Paso Robles home perched at the top of a quiet cul-de-sac in one of the area's most sought-after locations. From here, you'll enjoy sweeping hilltop views, exceptional privacy, and a peaceful Central Coast setting that feels tucked away, yet at the same time, close to everything.
Accessed by a private driveway and set above it all, this home combines thoughtful design with beautiful indoor and outdoor living. Inside, the open floor plan is enhanced by high ceilings and abundant natural light. The result is an airy, welcoming feel throughout the main living spaces.
The kitchen overlooks the living area and features granite countertops, a walk-in pantry, pull-out drawers, and generous storage. It's a space that's well-suited for both everyday living and entertaining.
The living room is warm and inviting, centered around a cozy fireplace wrapped in stylish stacked stone. French doors open directly to the elevated view patio. This creates a seamless connection between indoor living and the scenic surroundings.
The same patio is accessed here at the primary bedroom through a second set of French doors. It's an ideal spot to enjoy morning coffee or unwind at sunset while taking in these views.
The primary suite offers spacious accommodations and a walk-in closet. The ensuite bathroom has been beautifully renovated with custom tile work and quartz countertops. 2 additional bedrooms are comfortably sized and offer flexibility for guests, a home office, or creative space.
The renovated hall bathroom features a custom glass shower and a stylish vanity with more quartz countertops. It adds a modern touch that complements the home's overall design.
Additional highlights include own solar, instant hot water, central vacuum, and indoor laundry. There is also an oversized 2-car garage with a 28-foot custom built-in workbench. A covered carport provides added parking or storage.
Outdoors, the property offers multiple areas designed for relaxation and entertaining. These include a welcoming front patio, this huge paver patio out back, and even an elevated view patio. Each space takes full advantage of the surrounding hills and the privacy.
While the home feels peaceful and tucked away, it's also walkable to world-class restaurants, wine bars, and seasonal festivals. 193 Blossom Court offers privacy, views, and a thoughtfully designed layout in a desirable west side cul-de-sac setting. Call today to schedule your private showing and experience this special opportunity for yourself.